Chapter 4 of Clara and the Book Wagon. Books for Clara. Giddy up, giddy up! Miss Mary got the horses moving. Bump, bump, bump. The wagon moved along the dusty road. How amazing, thought Clara. I am riding on a book wagon. I am riding home on a book wagon. What will Papa think? Bump, bump, bump. They rode right up to the garden patch. Papa looked angry. "You have made a mistake," he shouted. "We have no dead here." "This is not a hearse wagon to pick up the dead," said Miss Mary. "I am Mary Titcomb, the librarian, and this is the first moving library." Papa frowned. "I bring books to people who live in the country," said Miss Mary. "Humph!" said Papa. "Our farm is not the right place for a book wagon." "The wagon is for all farms," Miss Mary told Papa. "Books are for everyone." "We are too busy here," said Papa. "Thank you and good day." "Busy people must read sometimes," Miss Mary said. "Reading is good fun. Reading can teach you new things about your work, too." Clara ran up to Papa. "Please, Papa," she said. Papa looked at Miss Mary. "I know Clara wants a book," he said, "but she does not know how to read." "If Clara wants to read," said Miss Mary, "she will learn fast." Papa lowered his head. "Well, Mamma and we can only read a little," said Papa. "I can teach Clara," Miss Mary said. Clara tugged at Papa's sleeve. "Please, Papa," she said, "I will not read until all of my work is done." Clara waited for Papa to answer. At last Papa said, "I know you are good at keeping a promise." I am," said Clara. Papa sighed. "All right, Clara, you may borrow a book." "Oh, thank you, Papa," cried Clara. Clara ran to the wagon shelf. "Miss Mary, will you help me choose?" she asked. "Indeed," Miss Mary said. "Here is an alphabet book to start, and a picture book of fairy tales. I will show you how to sound the letters." Clara looked at the alphabet book. She looked at the fairy tale book. "Stories for me?" she said. "Stories for me to read!"